Okay, let's look at quickly creating an app promotion campaign. Click on app promotion, click on the type is going to be app, select the operating system which is Android, type in the name of your app. Google will be searching for the particular app in the Google Play Store. It'll pop up some suggestions, then choose the app that you want to promote. Click on continue. At this stage you can give your campaign a name. Just type in something descriptive. And now that you've named your campaign, you can go ahead and choose the countries where you want your ad to display. In this case it's a French word game, so we want to display the ad in France. And we're also choosing a second location, which is Canada. Once you've selected all the locations where you want to run your ad, choose the languages you want to run the ad in. In this case, we'll only run it in French. Select your target budget per day. In this case, we're doing about $10 a day. Select the cost per install target. So we're looking at about 10 cents per install. Now you need to name your ad group. Again, name it something descriptive. And then we can move on to designing the actual ad. Because we're doing this ad in French, we'll be using Google Translate so that we can run a French ad in the French language. So just go to Google, find Google Translate, type in the words in English and then copy the words in French, and then take it over, paste it into the headline of the ad. Make sure you stay within the character limit of 30 characters. And then after you've added 2 headlines, you need to add a description as well. It's compulsory to add the description. Keep it short, as people won't have a lot of time to read a lot of text when choosing to install a word game. These ads will run inside the Google Play console. Right, now you've added a description, you've added 2 headlines, let's add a promotional video. So assuming you've uploaded a promotional video that explains the app, go to the video section and then paste the URL to the particular YouTube video. Once I've located the video, you can go ahead and click on save. You can see some previews for display, search and YouTube, etc. Normally takes a little while to load, but generally as long as you run an ad at the top of the search results, you will get some decent installs at a good cost per install. And if you're satisfied with your text, your description and your promotional video, just click on save and continue, and that is pretty much it. So you can look at a quick summary of the campaign for the app promotion, and if you're happy with everything, you can just go continue to campaign. It'll take a little while for Google to review the ad. Once approved, they will start running the ad and you'll see app installs for your app.